Good afternoon, this is Howard Paul Shore, and we are on a boat called Arrayan Patagonia, and we are about to take this boat to go all the way back to Villa La Angostura. We had a really nice walk through the forest, and we're going to have a really nice tour this time around. And with me I have Horacio. Horacio is going to be our guide, and he's going to talk to us a little bit about the excursion. So tell me, ¿cuántos años tienes your empresa?
Esta empresa hace unos 10 años que estamos trabajando, operando acá en el lago, haciendo paseos y excursiones de pesca.
Perfecto. And the excursion, where are we going? ¿Dónde? ¿Dónde estás? Where are we going to go on the ruta?
Nosotros salimos de Bahía Mansa, en la zona del puerto de Villa La Angostura, la principal bahía, la más pintoresca, y hacemos paseos recorriendo las bahías, yendo, como en este caso, al bosque de Arrayanes, excursiones de pesca y, bueno, recorrer el lago en general para los turistas.
Great. And do you have other types of excursions that you take people on besides this one? Various excursions?
¿Otro tipo de excursiones?
Sí, o sea, se hacen excursiones, como te digo, pueden ser de recorriendo un poco las costas y paseos de mediodía, de todo el día, ir a alguna playa, salidas de forma privada donde vamos con una familia, un grupo, incluso lugares donde hay fogones y se puede hacer un asado, es algo que le gusta al turista que viene también. Y bueno, conocer un poco todo lo que es este lugar, lo que es el lago principalmente, y a veces también aprovechar para pescar si estamos en temporada.
Perfect. Okay. Well, great. So we're going to be leaving in a few minutes, so I want to thank you, and we will have you speak more about where we're going to go.
Okay.
Great, thank you. Hey there, we just took off, and I just want you to see some of the scenery. It's really nice. Anyway, that's the forest, okay, Las Arrayanes, okay, and then over there you can see some of the mountains with clouds, okay, and we have some very happy passengers. ¿Cómo te llamas? Hi, nice to meet you. ¿Dónde vives?
Neuquen.
Neuquen. ¿Cómo te llamas?
Ahora.
Nice to meet you. I'm Howard, nice to meet you.
Cristina.
Gusto. ¿O Neuquen? Gusto. ¿Primera vez aquí?
Sí.
Wow, it's bonito, huh? Yeah. We're caminando 11 kilometers to get here. A long walk, you know? Mucho caminando.
Sí.
Yes. But it's mucho hermoso. So anyway.
Caminamos mucho por el bosque.
Yeah. Right now we have some sun. You know, sometimes it rains, right? But right now it's really sunny. And I just want you to see all the way around. So again, here's part of the view over there. Okay, from one side. And here's the other side. See the snow in the mountains? Beautiful. It's hermoso. Great. So once again, we're on the boat called Arrayan Patagonia, and I'm Howard Paul Shore. And today is still Monday, May the 15th, 2017. And if you ever need a good excursion, this company can get you all the way back to Villa La Angostura. Gracias. Thank you.